Alright, today we're talking about how to charge the battery on your GMC Acadia. You can do it two ways. You can open the hood, and there's a great big ground cable on the firewall, a ground connector on the firewall, and then you can plug in to this big red connector, and those go right back to the battery. It'll charge from the under compartment, and then you go plug your charger in and the voltage pops up. So that's one way under the hood. The other way is to access the battery. Okay, the other way to charge the battery is to access the battery from the passenger's back seat. So we pull back our mat, and we need to get this compartment off and get into this compartment. And so this just snaps in. And it's these little metal tabs. And then this is a hook that goes right in there to get that out. And then you need to remove this screw. It's a Torx. I've got a Torx 15 here. It's a little bit loose, so it's probably a Torx 20. You undo that screw, and then this is tabbed and hinged up front, right here. Tabbed, well, it's hinged. It's hinged on my side, I guess. And then we can get to the battery. Here's the negative terminal, and the positive terminal's over here in the red. So you just take your leads, connect it to there. So, yeah, in connecting the battery, I would connect the negative terminal first, and I would open up this red connector, red cover, and connect the red connectors to the battery second, and then I'd leave the battery charger outside, and I'd probably leave the door of the car open while it charges. But that's how you find the battery in a GMC Acadia and how you charge it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.